To enable 360 audio feature for your Galaxy Buds Live on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, go to the app screen, find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type the app name, and then tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap earbud setting, tap 360 audio, and then tap the gray on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When 360 audio feature is on, you can hear vivid and immersive sound coming from all directions, so you feel like you are right in the scene when you watch videos. To get the best experience with this feature, you have to keep your earbud near your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.